When I start this business, I wanted to have it as authentic as possible. You know, like have everything done from scratch
Why
and
now you know
then
how
be
to make
different from
Mexican rice?
anybody else. You know, we do our own recipes. We marinate our meats our own way. Our sauces are different. So that's what inspired
In
me. You
our
know, like
homemade
being
green
different.
salsa. So as you can see, as I mentioned to you earlier, we do everything from scratch. So we have like all of the spices that you can think of. Everything on it. Onion, cilantro, guacamole, sour
My
cream.
biggest inspiration is because I come from a family of cooks.
Yeah,
Since my great grandmother, they've been cooks. So I was literally born and raised in a kitchen. So why I like it, you know, it's my passion. So
rice, beans, onion, cilantro, guacamole, sour cream.
they all are cooks. They all been cooks our entire life. So we get recipes from each other. Even with Anna, which is our coworker, she has a lot of experience too. So we share knowledge and you know, ways to do things better. You know.
Bueno, no tienen idea